hazard, be it natural or human induced, becomes a disaster when it interacts with the vulnerabilities of assets or elements like human settlements, infrastructure, and the consequences is beyond the coping capacity of the community involved. This means that a hazard all by itself is not capable of constructing a disaster. This brings us to the question, what is hazard then? Well, there are globally accepted definitions, but to put it simply, hazard is any process or phenomenon which has the potential to cause losses and damages. For years together, we have been told that earthquakes, cyclones are disasters. But are they? Let us try to understand this scientifically. An earthquake is a natural phenomenon of Mother Earth. The world looks like the way it is now because of the movements of tectonic plates, and whenever there is a such movement or rupture, we experience an earthquake. Whether we want it or not, this process has been going on and will continue to go on. Over the years, science and technology has been growing in leaps and bounds, which has developed our understanding of such phenomena. We have a very good understanding of which areas are prone to earthquake. With this knowledge in hand, if we are not keen to constructing safe houses or being prepared for any earthquake, how is the earthquake responsible for the resulting disaster? The earthquake just had the potential to cause damages and losses, but by constructing unsafe houses, ignoring to be prepared, we made sure that an earthquake becomes a disaster. The same is true for cyclones. Cyclone, just like an earthquake, is a natural phenomenon. Cyclogenesis is in fact simple physics. Of course, global warming induced climate change has increased the frequency and intensity, but the phenomenon is a natural one. Again, with the advancement of technology, we are now able to monitor the formation of a cyclone, monitor its path and predict its landfall with tremendous accuracy. We have also been able to map probable wind speeds. With all this information in hand, if we still construct our infrastructure such that they are vulnerable to cyclones leading to power outages for days, how is the cyclone responsible for it? Shouldn't we be putting efforts to make our infrastructure more resilient? Therefore, it is important that we understand that hazards like earthquake, tsunami or floods are not disasters. They are simply hazards, and we, our society and all of its institutions need to work together to make sure that these hazards do not become a disaster. To learn more about disaster risk management, you can go through GIDM's free online course or read our knowledge products. Thank you.